So good afternoon everyone. Myself Sofiyan I recently passed out. My pass out is in 2024. My college was Rajaram Bapu Institute. I was trained by Qspider. I was trained in various technologies, Core Java, MySQL, API testing, manual testing, and Selenium also, and various web technologies like HTML, CSS, which all helped me during my interview process. The trainers here are very supportive, very friendly. They know how to teach from basics to they can teach anyone from any branch. We have peoples we have got from non-IT background placed here also. Again, in my experience in Qspider was I was from IT background, but during this training, I came to know that I have lack in some basics. Where in this training, during this training, I have made strong foundation because of this training.